Ecovacs just released the latest version of their T90 Pro OMNI series, and after using it for a few weeks, I can confidently say the biggest upgrades are in the cleaning system, the charging tech, and the overall hands-free experience. In our house with pets and everyday foot traffic, the floors get dirty really fast, and so being able to just hop on my phone and tell it to go clean the house has made a huge difference in my quality of life. And I just want to give you a quick summary up front if you're pressed for time. It saved me hours of cleaning every single week, and I honestly didn't expect to love it as much as I do. Me and my roommates actually love it so much, we named ours Dobby, and we'll just be like, hey, can you tell Dobby to clean my room, please? And we're having a whole lot of fun with him. And not having to constantly sweep and mop has noticeably reduced my stress. When the floors stay clean, the whole house just feels better to be in. For me, the standout improvement is the Mop System. The 27-centimeter brush is about 50% longer than the previous design, and that extra length really matters because it covers more floor in a single pass, which makes cleaning noticeably faster and more efficient. If you have pets like we do, we've got 2 cats and a dog, and it's winter, which means it's wet and cold outside, and so we're always getting muddy paw prints all over the floors, and so having the mop work so well means that I don't have to worry about letting the pets back in and then washing their feet off as they come back in. If the pets are coming in and out of the house a lot during the day, I'll just have the Omni mop twice or as many times as I want to. It also uses Ecovacs Power Boost charging system combined with a GAN-based fast charger, and what that means in real life is that while the robot is back at the station washing the mop, it's also topping up the battery at the same time, and it can add around 10% of battery in roughly 3 minutes, which is about how long it takes to wash the roller and empty the dustbin. So instead of just wasting time sitting idle, it charges and then it gets right back to cleaning, even during deep cleaning modes where it returns to the station more often. And speaking of the station, the Omni Station itself does a ridiculous amount of work for you. It automatically empties the robot's dustbin into the station's dust bag. It washes the mop roller with clean water, it scrapes off debris off the roller, and then it dries it with hot air to keep everything smelling fresh and to prevent odors and mold. Maintenance-wise, it's just about as simple as you can get. You refill the clean water tank, empty the dirty water tank, and replace the dust bags when the app reminds you to, and that last part is seriously amazing. You don't have to remember any of these things. You just get a notification on your phone, and then that's when you know you need to do it. And maybe this is TMI, but I get this weird sense of satisfaction when I'm emptying out the dirty water bin and seeing just how gross the water is.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Dobby. Oh, yeah, that's gross.
Now let's talk about the mop, because this is where the real magic happens. At the core of the system is Ecovacs OZMO Roller 3.0, and this is completely different from traditional pad-based robot mops. Instead of dragging 2 damp pads across the floor, this uses a continuously rotating roller that applies about 10 newtons of downward pressure. So it's not just wiping the surface, it's actively scrubbing the floor, which results in much better cleaning results. The roller itself is made from a high-density microfiber material that holds water really well, so it doesn't dry out halfway through a pass. It also uses Ecovacs' Fresh Flow power washing system, which means the roller is constantly being cleaned with pressurized water while it's out and about. And then the roller is continuously self-cleaning at up to 200 RPM, removing dirty water while adding fresh water in real time. That means every part of the floor is being cleaned with clean water instead of just spreading the dirty water around. And in my experience, it really does deliver a one-pass clean on sticky messes and kitchen spills. Another big advantage of the roller design is the edge cleaning. With True Edge 3.0, the roller can extend up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body of the robot, and because of that, it can glide right along baseboards and around corners. Basically, if the body of the robot can fit into a space, then the roller can clean it, which just isn't the case for pad-based robot mops. It makes a huge difference when you look at the edges right where the wall and the floor meet. You look at that after a clean, oh my god, it looks good. Before mopping, the Omni will vacuum first, and you can customize this in the app. You can do vacuum only, vacuum and mop at the same time, or vacuum first and mop after. I personally prefer vacuuming first because we got a lot of pets and I want all the hair and dirt picked up before any mopping happens. The vacuum system uses blast, high airflow suction combined with the ZeroTangle 4.0 brush, and even with multiple pets, I've never had hair wrap around the brush and get stuck. The airflow is designed to pull hair straight into the suction path instead of letting it wind around the roller, and it actually works in my experience. It's also really smart about mixed flooring. When it detects carpets, the roller mop automatically lifts up by about 15 millimeters, so there's no risk of wetting the carpet. And it also follows a carpet first strategy, meaning it vacuums carpets while the roller is still dry and only mops after it moves back onto hard floors. That reduces the risk of cross-contamination and makes more sense for homes with carpets and hard flooring, which we have both of those. And as far as actually getting around, the navigation has been excellent. The Omni mapped our entire downstairs in just a few minutes, and it refines the map every single time it cleans. It avoids cables, pet toys, and furniture legs really well. I've never seen it hit. And it even handles thresholds and uneven transitions smoothly thanks to its adaptive wheel system, so cleaning doesn't get interrupted. I was originally worried after watching some videos on other cleaning bots that it wasn't going to be able to make it up some of the ramps in our house because they're pretty steep, but the Omni handles them no problem. It's never not been able to get up a ramp. As far as the app goes, it's been super intuitive. I named the rooms, I set no-go zones, and I created custom cleaning routines with just a few taps. One of my most used setups is a custom kitchen clean, and with voice control, I can just say, clean the kitchen, and then immediately Dobby goes and he cleans the kitchen. Dobby, aka the robot, is also surprisingly quiet, which was great because our dog and cats don't mind him at all. And if you want it to be even quieter, you can put it in quiet mode where it lowers the suction of the vacuum, but also makes very little noise. So if you wanted to like run it at night or something while people are sleeping, that would be a good option. After using the Omni for a few weeks, I realized that before I got it, I had some unrealistic expectations of how a robot vacuum might work. So I just want to talk about them just in case you have the same thoughts that I had before I got the Omni. Before I got it, I thought I would just tell it to clean and then that would be that. I didn't have to do anything. But after using it, I've realized it really works best if you do a quick pickup of the house before you tell it to clean. If you pick up stuff like shoes and pets' toys and that sort of thing. If you don't, it's fine, it'll just go around them, but then it doesn't clean the areas where those things are. So doing a quick pickup is a way to get a better clean. There are also a few spots where it can't physically reach, like extremely tight corners or under certain plants that we own. And with very light, thin rugs, it can occasionally catch the edge and then get stuck. That doesn't happen with our thicker rugs, but I thought it might be worth knowing. That being said, I would easily say the Omni cleans about 90% of our floors on its own without any input from me. It saved me hours of cleaning every single week, and I honestly didn't expect to love it as much as I do. So if you're interested, I'll leave the Omni linked below if you want to check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Peace.